¿Qué tal amigos? Hello. Estoy aquí con Jaina. Vinimos al parque un día de otoño. Show me the mountain.
Ta-da!
Point at it, please.
Then you slide down.
So we have a really nice steep hill down to a pond. It's a beautiful place for snowboarding, skiing. I see why you call it a mountain. I'm sure kids have fun here.
Oh yeah.
Está muy bonito para los niños, familiar. Algo aquí que ofrece Latvia.
Sí.
Ajá. Aquí todas las más chulas, hermosas del todo el mundo. ¿Sí?
Sí.
Good. All right, so we are planning on going to a place where there is clean water, clean spring water, agua limpia, donde nace el agua. We're going to drink water, right? How far is that?
3 minutes.
We're gonna walk 3 minutes and get there. So we just got done exploring a little bit more about this little park. It's very common to see beautiful landscapes in Latvia. Es hermoso, es muy común ver lugares así de hermosos aquí en Letonia, muy naturales, por eso lo digo hermoso. Si te gusta la naturaleza como me gusta a mí, vas a opinar lo mismo. Es hermoso. It is very typical to see something like this in Latvia, right? Beautiful landscapes, beautiful scenic water flows, rivers, ponds. Now we're gonna go to the spring where we can drink water. Tell me where are we going now?
Spring water.
Point at it. Okay, so we arrived. We are here. But this is not the warm spring. This is not the spring water we're talking about, though it looks really cool. It's a clean area. Fantastic to be here. Beautiful shades because of the sunset. But this is not the place. But we're close, huh?
Look how clean it is, Bo. You can see the stones. Wow, you can tell it's water.
It looks delicious.
Delicious.
Yeah. We're here. Perfect. Okay, aquí está el agua limpia. Here's the clean water. Babe, cheers. We made it. We made it. Another beautiful autumn day field trip in Latvia. Salud. Rieka. Rieka. Salud. All right, so we decided to just do the picnic here. Vamos a comer aquí, unas botanas que compramos. Un tecito. This is for you.
Thank you. Looks like coffee. But that's not coffee. That's English tea.
English tea, ok. Quedé bastante impresionado cómo es este lugar. Está hermoso, tranquilo, fresco, natural y es gratis, completamente gratis. Esta parte, este detalle de agarrar agua limpia fue un detallazo. Estar aquí con ella es otro detallazo. Me encanta. I love being here with you.
Oh,
Okay, thank you for bringing me here.
thank you for coming.
It's another place to see in Latvia. So
Yeah.
that's it. Ata.
Bye.
Ciao.
Bye.